We move on to Hydra, an NGC 2936 and 2937, or ARP-142. With my 12.5-inch f4.8 dial, I observed this interesting pair in a night of excellent transparency. Using a 20mm super wide field eyepiece, I first located the galaxies that would look like a small fuzzy object next to what first looked like a dim star, but quickly realized that this star was actually the core of 2937. The larger dimmer object was 2936. Best view came using a 5.5mm ultra-wide field eyepiece. Here 2937 showed as a high surface brightness round glow with a fairly bright core. The more interesting 2936 showed as a rectangular lower surface brightness patch of light. Using an inverted vision showed a slight curve or arc on its northeast side, and the southern side fanned into the darkness. Also, a couple CAS observers with their much larger 20-inch f5 and 25-inch f4 dials focused in on ARP-142. I was able to get some views in these scopes. The 20-inch was on the same night as my observation through the 12.5. Here, of course, both galaxies were much more prominent, and the detail of 2936, seen with averted vision in the smaller scope, stood out here with direct vision. In the 25-inch, the sky conditions were not quite as good the night this larger scope viewed these galaxies. Still, the view was quite amazing, showing subtle details seen in the image. The very faint PGC galaxy off to the northwest, which looks like a comet's tail coming off a 13th magnitude star, was not seen with certainty this night.